Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by signing into the Google account that owns or manages the listing. This grants the permissions you need. Once signed in, go to Business Profile Manager or search your business and click Manage Profile. Make sure you select the correct location if you manage more than one. Then, from the main dashboard, click Edit Profile. This moves you immediately into the area where menus and details live, so you can begin changing items without extra navigation. Now you'll edit the menu itself. Open Edit Profile and choose Menu, Products, or Services depending on your business type. Click Add Item to create a new entry, or select an existing item to edit its name, price, and description. Be concise so customers scan quickly. You should upload a clear photo, use a 16:9 or square crop, set categories and availability times, and save each change. Doing this keeps your listing accurate and improves how Google surfaces your offerings. Finish by saving every change and clicking Publish. Google often reflects updates within minutes, but allow up to 3 days for full propagation. Once published, check both mobile and desktop search previews to confirm formatting, images, and prices display correctly. If an item fails to update, clear your browser cache and reopen the profile, then resave the menu. If problems persist, request support through the Help menu or contact your account manager. This resolves permission.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.